This video is just going to be a short one on working with different files. It sounds like everyone's at the stage where you've got the suburb built out in MapRoom, and now we have a couple of models to work with. So I'm just going to show you how you might import those into your own file. First of all, I'm going to go up to File, Import, and Merge, because these are also 3ds Max files. And then I'm just going to locate the particular file that I want to work with or import. Okay, and then open, and then you're going to choose the geometry that you want to work with. So there's a couple of different options here. I'm going to import the site that I've built out just using the box tool with an edit poly. So that's going to be basic. It's not going to make your computer run slow, and it's going to allow you to work with different textures and add it to that particular model. And there's also the photogrammetry mesh that James did, and there's a couple of those, but I'll import model 2. It's a little more complete. And then we just go OK. And it's going to bring those into your file. This was something I worked a lot with when I was doing thesis, just because files can get quite large, and quite often I was breaking up the different assets that I was working with. So here we go. Here's a couple of options. I'm not going to show you what Model 2 looks like just at the moment because I've removed the textures. So at the moment, it literally served as a guide for me to kind of build out the rest of the geometry. So as you can see, there's the details there. So if I just turn off the rest of it. So here we have James's photogrammetry mesh 2, quite detailed. And then if I turn on the rest of the geometry, we have the kind of basic outline of the site to work with. Now I'm going to make another video in a minute and just show you how you might work with either the photogrammetry model or this particular one in terms of adding textures and manipulating those textures to kind of get that aesthetic that you might want.